It is an honor and privilege for me to be here this afternoon in my own community. I'm also a resident here at 83 Kaunitauni Street, Vatuwaqa, and I'm privileged that my community youths are part of this training, and I must acknowledge the commitment shown by you and participants in attending this training, especially during the first week of the new year. I also acknowledge and thank the respective facilitators from Service Pro International Tourism and Hospitality Institute in delivering the respective session and assisting the ministry in achieving its intended vision, which is building values that lead to success. Ladies and gentlemen, it is through multi-skills training program for urban areas, an initiative of Fiji First government, that we selected the Nuku community so that young and talented youth can enhance their skills. This training was also the result of various interactions with your communities and the training need analysis, which identified an interest among youth in undertaking basic skill trainings and housekeeping, services, food and beverages because of its potential employment opportunities available locally. Our training during the week should enable you to accumulate sound knowledge and skills and motivate you to create productive and satisfying livelihood, which will increase your chances for employment in the tourism sector. In Fiji today, the Ministry of Youth and Sports has been carrying out similar training all over the country for our young people. In doing so, we are empowering you with the skills to a sustainable future, to use learned skills in the workplace and contribute to the nation's economy. Ladies and gentlemen, the Fiji First government is committed to an inclusive policy for all Fijians, regardless to your ethnicity, your social background, your status in your community, your culture, or your religious belief. Our target is to reach out all Fijians, no matter how isolated you may be. The training you are part of this week has 5 major objectives, and they are as follows. 1, to train youth with basic skills on housekeeping services. 2, to train youth with skills and knowledge on food and beverages. 3, to increase participants' confidence in themselves. 4, to motivate participants to create a productive, satisfying livelihood. And number 5, to create participant potential for success in their work and in their personal life. This program is aligned to Ministry's strategic goal number 2 and 3, which is to reinforce initiative to be the ministry of all youths and build pathways to success. So let this be your pathway to success, and let it be the dream that will take you to a brighter future. As youths of Nuku, I urge you all to set your priorities straight and right and strive your best, as you will undoubtedly receive its due rewards. You should aspire for greater things, and I would like to urge you to work hard and to try to further develop the acquired skills. Ladies and gentlemen, with these few words, I wish you all the success in the future, and may this training be the start of a bigger and brighter things to come for you. As a resident of Vatuwaqa and as Assistant Minister for Youth and Sports, I would like to work very closely with the youths of Nuku and nearby areas to ensure we have a safe, crime-free and a resilient community. And I would therefore provide more support in my personal capacity to ensure that our youth have a brighter future. I congratulate you all on your achievement and wish you a successful new year. Vinaka Vakalevu.